I'm Blue and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I am doing this holiday Christmas light kind of glam, so if you'd like to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I'm starting out by priming my lid with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair, and I'm going to take the 1111 palette from ColourPop with the ColourPop E28 brush. I'm going to take Empowered, and I'm going to go ahead and start to place that into the crease and get ready to do a cut crease. So I'm going back and forth to build the shade up. I'm going to take it towards the tail of my brow and flick it upwards and outwards. With the Makeup Shack T14 brush, I'm going to take the shade Lucky Babe to start to blend that out, make sure it's nice and softened up, because I wanted this to be a more of a really neutral cut crease to look like the inspiration picture that I had, and I just thought it would be fun to do a nice and cute little quick Christmassy cut crease. So I'm going back and forth windshield wiping motions with the lightest amount of pressure. And with the same brush, I'm going into a little bit more of Empowered to just bring it back. That way we have some depth in the crease. I'm using the Makeup Shack T63 brush in the shade Good Thoughts to make sure that everything is not very harsh, very nicely blended together, doing back and forth windshield wiping motions with the lightest amount of pressure. With the Makeup Shack T14 brush, I'm taking Lucky Babe and just going back and forth with it, windshield wiping motions with the lightest amount of pressure. That way we have some depth to the look and to make it be kind of cute. And now I'm taking Empowered with the same brush just to bring it back. Like I usually say, blending is repetitive, but it's worth it. So now I'm going to take some micellar water on a Q-tip to clean the crease out, clean off the lid to get ready to carve out my crease with some of the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair. Not only can I not concentrate, but I am very stumbling over my words. I do apologize. But now I'm taking the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair, and I'm going to start to carve out my crease, taking this nameless Morphe brush. It's some kind of concealer brush I've had forever. I don't remember what the name is. It's not there anymore. I've used it so much it's wiped off. But take your base of choice and go ahead and start to carve out your crease. I feel like sometimes cut creases take forever. Now I'm going to take Crater from the Terra Moons Cosmetics Winter Solstice collection in that ColourPop E28 brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and pat that all over the lid. That way the lid will be more matte, but like more closer to the color of the clean canvas. That way when I go to put the liner and everything, it will be not messing up the liner. Because I've found that if I go in with a wet base and just start to try to put liner over it, it makes it not be so pretty. So take your liner of choice. I love the brush tip liners. This one's the Danessa Myricks Line Work in Onyx. I will switch over to the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner because I really just like didn't want to use like the most of this liner because I like it so much that I want to like have it whenever I'm going to wear a lookout. And I'm just going to follow my crease with the liner. So take your liner, start at whichever point of your cut crease that you want. I like to start from the inner corner of my eye. Take it, follow the eyeshadow, and take it upwards towards the brow and flick it out. Got a little heavy-handed with the liner, so I took some more of the clean canvas to clean and sharpen that up. For the light bit, where the lights come out, I'm just going to do like a little bitty rectangle. This one I feel like got a little bit bigger than I wanted, but I tried to keep them small and I tried to spread them out pretty well. That way they could look more colorful and more like Christmas lights. So I do a little line, do a little rectangle, bring it down to the liner, and then just fill that in. And I did it about 8 times, maybe 10 times. You can add as many as you'd like. I just was trying to figure out how to do it because I hadn't really done a look like this before, so it was interesting. Now I'm going to take the Suva Hydro Liner in Space Panda, and I'm going to start to just kind of put that down as the base to make it look like the lights are shining. And I kind of tried to do it in a bulb shape. So I kept it a little bit wider at the bottom, but kind of gave a point at the tip of it. That way, to me, it kind of looked more like Christmas lights. I really, really love Suva Beauty. Their hydro liners are awesome. I've been using them a lot lately. I picked up some liners on Black Friday. I got the pastel palette that's real cute. But like with the little rectangles for the lights, do as many of these as you'd like, and then we'll color them in with some eyeshadow and make them look more festive. I'm going to take some of Neptune's Waves from Terra Moon's Cosmetics on that Sigma EO5 brush and just do a couple of blue lights. And I'm going to do this yellow, which is called, oh my goodness, what's it called? Land on the Stars. I'm going to use the same brush. Just however many lights that you do, pick whatever colors you want. You can make them any color you want. I was just kind of trying to keep a pattern. This is the Machina palette from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I'm going into the shade Burn for a little red light. Then I'm going to go into the Blends palette into Remedy to add some green lights. And you see how they already look like Christmas lights ready to go? The very loved Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette. Of course it had to make an appearance. I need to use the Blends palette a little bit more. I've missed it. I'm like, oh my goodness. Now I'm going to take the Blend Bunny Cosmetics gel liner and the brush from Blend Bunny Cosmetics to do a wing liner, and then we're going to pack some sparkles on top of that liner. I'm taking Orion's Odyssey from the Terra Moon's Cosmetics Fall Equinox collection and the Elf and J Kissa J5 brush, and I'm just going to pat that onto the liner, and I felt like it made it look so pretty. It definitely was giving me like Christmas ornament vibes, like for the Christmas tree. From the Terra Moon's Cosmetics Winter Solstice collection, I'm taking Dorado. It's one of my favorite shades, and it's super shifty and pretty. Then I'm going to take Phoenix. I'm not exactly which collection this one's from. I've had it for a little bit, but it's really pretty. It's kind of like a yellow-orange shifty shade. And then I'm taking Blazing Sky from the Winter Equinox collection to put on the inner portion of the liner. And then I'm going to take Telesto to do my inner corner highlight, and then Twinkle Toes for my brow bone highlight. So all the Terra Moon's Cosmetics sparkles. Alright, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back.
bobber eyes. I just wanted you to say hi. I feel like everybody just loves you because you're just the cutest, sweetest little baby. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I'm sorry about the voiceover. Today is Saturday, December the 2nd. I have no energy. I feel so burned out. But I saw this look. I'm going to try to say this username right. But I saw this look that NGKuin15 on Instagram did and was like, I've never, that I can remember, tried a Christmas light look. I may have like years ago, but like in the recent years I know that I haven't, so I was like, I want to try that. And I loved the glitter liner, and I was like, I have Terra Moon shades that would look so sick over liner like that. So I feel like this look is a whole vibe, a whole mood, getting ready for the holidays. And then I like found my red dress, got the little kitty cats with the Christmas light earrings, and we just put up our Christmas tree, so the cats have been having a blast with that. So that was what this reminded me of. But yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below. If you'd like to keep up my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, then I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below, as well as NGKuin15 in case you want to go check out their work, because that's who did this look originally, and I hope that I did a good job on trying to recreate it. Please let me know what you'd like to see next. I feel like I said that already. Do we want a New Year's Eve glam look or a New Year look or something like that? I do plan on doing like a whole look, like full face and everything soon. Just haven't really had a lot of time to get into that because that would take a lot more time to do than just do my eyes, but I feel like it'd be fun. I haven't done anything like that in a long time, so I'll get to that sometime soon. Oh, real quick, I want to talk about this lip because I feel like it's so cute. So I used the ColourPop Bichette lip liner and just like lined my lips, whatever. I put a glitter adhesive over top, kind of let that dry down a little bit. Then I used the Carla Cosmetics Pixie Magic glitter, and I feel like it goes so cute with this. And I also used a little bit of the Pixie Magic glitter on my highlighter, and just kind of to have a little extraness. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? It'll help me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So if you give it a thumbs up, then thank you. Okay, please let me know what you'd like to see next down in the comments below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one.